If your React component does too many things, it's violating the single responsibility principle, or SRP in short. Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. The single responsibility principle, or SRP, says that a component should do just one thing. But a lot of developers mix UI and logic in the same component. Here's a common mistake. This user profile component does everything, fetching the data, formatting it, and displaying it. This makes it hard to test, maintain, and reuse. Let's fix this. Instead, we split it into 3 different parts. Use user, which only fetches the data. The user details, which only displays data. And user profile, which only manages the composition. Now if you see, each part now has single responsibility, making the code cleaner, more reusable, and easier to maintain. Like and subscribe for more React tips.